Hi, my name is Friday. Welcome to my channel. To my subscribers, thank you as always. And to my non-subscribers, subscribe and join the fun. Why not? It's free. So for the first craft, I will use this sign that came from my last week's project and 3 of these. You will only need the one part that will rest this part flat on the wood like this. And I will paint 3 of them with chalk paint white. Flip this over, whoops, flip this over, take these off, spackle in the holes, and paint it chalk paint white as well. After everything is dry, grab some Mod Podge matte finish or Waverly's sealant and apply this burlap ribbon that I found at the Dollar Tree last year to the face of it. After this is dry, I will flip it over and hot glue the excess on the back side. You also want to Mod Podge your hearts. I'll be using sealant again. And if you are lucky enough to found one of these glass paint brush markers, great for you. You want to write Be Mine, XOXO, love, whatever. You can also use a Sharpie or your Cricut, and which is what I will be using because I have lousy handwriting. And I never buy the Cricut transfer tape. I buy the clear contact paper from Dollar Tree. It works great. Before I attach my hearts to the front of it, I will attach a hanger, and I plan to use this. So I will cut this off, and I think you know the trick. Glue it on the back with a piece of popsicle stick. And then I'll attach my hearts. I'm going to glue them down right here and add some pretty bows to them and hang it up, and that project will be done. As an alternative to the white, you can paint the white on the inside and it'll look like this. I think this is cute too. This would look really pretty. Now, how cute is that? I like the red ones too. I think the red ones would look really pretty on there, but I'm loving this one. Okay, on to the next craft. For this next craft, you want one of these crepes, which I will use my antique wax on. 3 dowels of various sizes, and I will paint these white, and 3 hearts. I will use 2 of these. One, I will Mod Podge this on. This one, I will paint with my vintage Victorian, and I love this Heidi Swapp Marquee Love glitter, and I'll glitter this one up. This one, I will paint it with the vintage Victorian, except for the arrow parts, which I will use antique wax on. Now that my box is dry, I just added a bow, and you guys know I'm lousy at making bows, and I hot glued some foam inside. On this, and then hot glue your sticks to your signs. On this one, I originally had this sticker, and they are transparent when you put them on, but I didn't like the color pink, so I just applied the pink one and then a white one to give me that light colored look. And if you don't have a Cricut, a gold Sharpie works great for this, which I did on the arrow as well. Now I'll just place them in my foam and fill the rest of it up with foliage, and that project will be done. Oh my goodness, I'm loving this one. This is so pretty. And I just used that 5-foot garland from the Dollar Tree to fill it up with. Okay, on to the next craft. For this next craft, it's so simple. I love the sign just the way it is. It just needs some embellishment right here. Just grab some different ribbon and decorate it, and that project is done. Loving the simplicity of this. I had to dig into my fall ribbon section to find the perfect ribbon that matched the red. Okay, on to the next craft. This is such an easy craft. You need these felt hearts and some cotton balls, toothpick, and twine. Take 2 of them. And I will start right here. And I'm just going to weave them all around. Until I'm right here. Next, I will just shove my cotton balls in there. Put one here, one here, one here, and one in the middle. And continue to weave and tie it off. Next, just add a pretty bow, and that project is done. And these are great for garlands or just to put in the back of your truck, which is what I plan on doing. You can use yarn or just tie your twine in a bow. I'm loving these felt hearts. Now how cute is that? So many endless possibilities you can do with these. Okay, until next time, everyone, take care of yourself and one another.